What if I told you your Brazilian wax routine fails in winter? Cold weather changes everything about skin recovery. But with the right aftercare, your results can stay silky, smooth, and flawless all season. Winter isn't just cold. It steals hydration and weakens your skin's barrier. Circulation slows, irritation lasts longer, and bumps multiply. Most people make it worse with heavy creams and harsh scrubs. The solution is not more product, it's the right product in the right sequence. Smooth results begin before your appointment. Hydrate from within with water and water-rich foods like oranges and cucumbers. Exfoliate gently with a soft brush or enzymatic cleanser. Avoid irritants like perfume lotions, alcohol toners, or intense workouts before waxing. Immediately after waxing, your skin is at its most delicate. Apply aloe vera or a fragrance-free balm to soothe instantly. Wear loose cotton fabrics to reduce friction. If redness appears, use a cold compress or a short cool shower. Handled correctly, this hour decides your results for weeks. Aftercare is not a chore. It's a ritual. Hydrate deeply with shea butter or ceramide-rich creams. Exfoliate only after healing, with a gentle salicylic acid. Choose breathable, soft fabrics over tight synthetics. Your clothes can protect your skin, or ruin it. Here's the expert edge. Aloe gels calm instantly. Shea butter and ceramide creams repair the skin barrier. Gentle baths prevent ingrowns without irritation. For stubborn bumps, use tea tree oil or glycolic pads. If irritation persists, seek a professional's care. Winter doesn't have to ruin your Brazilian wax. With the right prep, aftercare, and routine, your skin stays silky all season. Like this video, subscribe for expert skincare, and share it with someone who loves flawless results. This winter, don't just survive. Own it.